Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change speed limit offset on your Suzuki. So I am on the Suzuki eVTera. Here, what are we going to do is we're going to tap on settings, and in these settings, you want to go to ADAS. Now, once we are in the ADAS, we want to scroll down, go to ACC and speed limiter. We're going to click twice to skip the animation. And here, the second option from the top is our speed limit offset. Here, what we can do is we can simply make it higher. So now we have plus 5 kilometers an hour. This is the max you can put it in. And of course, we can make it lower. Also, we can go by minus 5 kilometers an hour. So that's what we can do here. We can easily adjust it by pressing either the plus or the minus button. If you don't want it, you can just set it up to 0. And that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.